Hey everyone, if your Word document looks messy in 2026, like broken spacing, wrong alignment, or weird formatting issues, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Word formatting issues step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and turn on formatting marks. This helps you see hidden spaces, line breaks, and paragraph symbols causing layout problems. Next, select all text and clear formatting. This removes unwanted styles and resets the document to a clean state. Now apply built-in styles like heading 1 and normal. This keeps your document structured and consistent. After that, fix line spacing and paragraph spacing. I mean, Wrong spacing is one of the main reasons documents look broken. Next, check alignment settings. Make sure text is properly aligned left, center, or justified depending on your document type. Now, remove unwanted page breaks. These can push content around and mess up formatting. After that, use the Format Painter tool. This helps you copy correct formatting and apply it across the document quickly. Finally, if nothing works, apply a clean template. This resets the layout and fixes deeper formatting problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Word document formatting issues in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your document will look clean and professional again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Microsoft Word tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone!